felt like someone was burning my armpits and she was trying to get my cha-cha hairs down there. I was like, do you want to fight? And she was like, some girls even get to like their what? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia and today's video is going to be about my shower routine. And I've done my nighttime routine, my morning routine, and now I'm going to do my shower routine. If there's any other routines you guys want to see, let me know in the comments down below. What I should be doing is a gym routine, because I already showed you guys my gym clothes, but I need to get this bod actually to the damn gym, because I've been so consumed with so many other things, and I can't even say like they're cool things. I'm just trying to get my shit together. I get a lot of comments about the health of my hair. I do have it cut right now. I actually want to go a little bit shorter. I do get white hairs all the time, so definitely the products that I use have to benefit my hair and the color of my hair. Also the texture of my hair. As you guys can see, my hair is really shiny. I don't add any serum or anything like that, only on special occasions. So, I mean, my hair could look even healthier if I did that. But for the most part, I just don't have time. Honestly, sometimes I don't even wash my damn hair because I've got so much to do. I feel like another thing you guys are going to say is that my skin is glowing. It's literally because I went like this in my highlight. And I also just moisturized my skin using this hand lotion with olive oil from Bath & Body Works, and it's actually two-toned because when it was starting to run low, I filled it with another lotion. I'm not sure what lotion's on top, but the one on the bottom, which I'm still rocking, apparently has olive oil and it's the bomb. I just moisturized and I'm still dry as a bone. So as I moisturize, I'm gonna take you guys over to the shower and get naked. Just kidding. You're not gonna see anything because this is not YouTube red. Okay. So I'm going to start with shampoo and conditioner. Now I do have quite a bit of a selection. This is Garnier's new Whole Blends Gentle Conditioner and Shampoo. This one in particular is the Oat Delicacy. And I also recently got my hair colored and cut, and I spent way too much money on this Loreal Professonel B6 plus Biotin. I feel like I would be like, time out. This shampoo and conditioner smells so damn good. Like, I wish I can get in touch with L'Oreal Professonel and have them send me these products, because I'm literally going broke every time I go get my haircuts because I'm getting suckered into buying the products, and I'm like, what? $30? Oh girl. Or you can check out a new brand that I think it's like $6 or $7 at Target. It's called Beauty and Planet, and the reason why I got this one in particular, it has tea tree oil, and I heard it's really, really good for like any kind of bacteria or fungus or anything like that. So if you go to the gym or you're rolling around on the floor in a yoga class or Pilates class or kickboxing class and you're not trying to get like fungus of the mungus, I would definitely recommend any products with tea tree oil so it can kill those germs and you don't have mushrooms growing on your shoulders, okay? For my face, I have 2 washes in there, and I love any washes with pumps on them, but it's Garnier's Skin Active Micellar Foaming Cleanser. I just use it to help remove any makeup. Almost always do I have to go back in with a wipe and attack my eyelashes because I'm so scared of rubbing soap or any kind of cleanser all up in my lashes and go blind. So I'm just like, oh God, don't go blind. Oh God. Yeah, I have to take it step by step, but I get most of it off. And then I go in with a second wash, and I use Neutrogena's Hydra Boost. This is their hydrating cleansing gel. It's really lightweight, it's not aggressive, it doesn't burn my skin. I also love scrubs. I am the most scaliest, driest, crustiest person you'll probably ever meet in your life, so scrubs are life. I have one that I actually peeled the packaging off from Soap and Glory. It actually is like really starting to like separate from itself, so I think I'm just gonna get rid of that one altogether, but I wanted to show it to you because it's honestly in my shower, so why not? There's one that I really love from Herbivore, and it's called Cocoa Rose. It's a coconut oil based body scrub, and oh my goodness, you guys, it literally is a treat for your body. You just need a little bit, and it really does like scrub all of your dead skin cells and leave your skin looking really soft and glowy and hydrated. You actually get that like oil slick, so I definitely would not recommend putting this on your feet if you're inside of the bathtub. I would like put my feet dangling into the tub, scrub them, rinse them off, and then pat them dry with a towel. Be safe about it because you don't want to slip and kill yourself. I also use a scrub for my face if I'm starting to see a lot of like texture, especially around the parts of my face that start to get like a little bit thuggish. Like if there's super texture on my forehead, my cheeks here or my chin, I'll go to town and scrub there, but I don't use anything too abrasive because my skin is prone to breakouts. I have to be really careful. And I love this scrub from Lancome. I can't pronounce it because I'm not French, so I'm not even gonna try. Another product that I really like is from Dove. This is their Go Fresh Cool Moisture Body Wash, and this one in particular is their cucumber and green tea scent. I love anything cucumber and I love anything green tea, so this was a match made in heaven. It smells really good on the body. It's almost like rubbing a lotion because it's really thick and creamy consistency, but it lathers up really, really well, and it's got a pump. And you guys know how I feel about pumps. Okay, I can pump it all day long. I do have to shave. I have to shave everything because I'm literally an animal from my, I don't know, my hairline down. I'm like such a hairy individual. I do have to like shave my face sometimes because I am growing like a full-blown beard that is connecting to my eyebrows and my sideburns. It's out of control. I don't know if it's like a Latin thing or just like a Sonia thing, but honestly, sometimes I have to like really scrub my armpits with a razor because my underarm hair is so freaking dark. Ugh, it's annoying. I just shaved my armpits and there's still like still a shadow. I tried to get like laser hair removal, and I'm not kidding you guys, I felt like I was gonna die. I felt like someone was burning my armpits and she was trying to get my cha-cha hairs down there. I was like, do you want to fight? And she was like, some girls even get to like their buttholes. What? No. Just shave your damn hairs and keep your arms shut. But anyways, I am now fresh and so clean, and I'm proud. I actually look clean. You should have seen me before. I look like a dirt bag. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me your thoughts, requests, opinions in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.